This song I wrote after watching Akira Kurosawa's movie Yume. Yume no uta desu. Is that right? Yume no uta. Akira Kurosawa Akira. Movie, one of the dreams was a blizzard snowstorm. This is about the snowstorm. Miles and miles of seas of white is all our eyes have seen. Blinded by the emptiness, no egos left in me. My feet sink deep into the frozen snow, like zombies on a tether. The blizzard wants control. Days and nights and seconds, years, too frozen cannot feel. As one by one we succumb to suspension of belief. I fall face down into the frozen snow. I won't be getting up now, the blizzard's got control. Beautiful melody, melodiously teasing me in a dream. I don't wanna go back down to reality. Beautiful melody, melodiously teasing me in a dream. I don't wanna go back down to reality. Hit me! Why do I always have to be the one to take control? The burden lies so heavily upon my weary soul. I force myself with all my might out of the snow. I can't be giving in now, the blizzard's got to know. Beautiful angel with windswept hair comes floating down from nowhere. Yuki wa atatakai, kori wa atsui. Break free! Beautiful melody, melodiously teasing me in a dream. I don't wanna go back down to reality. Melody, melody, melodiously teasing me in a dream. I don't wanna go back down to reality. On and on and on I go. I won't stop till I'm home. On and on I go. I won't stop, don't you know? Yuki wa atatakai, atatakai, oh. Kori wa atsui, atsui, yeah. On and on I go. I won't stop till I'm home. On and on I go. I won't stop, don't you know? Yuki wa atatakai, atatakai, oh. Kori wa atsui, atsui, yo mi fu hi go. If you know the movie, it's about a struggle between a person's heart battling against the unknown in a snowstorm. And they have to keep going. But when everybody falls into the snow, the leader loses responsibility. He also falls. But the leader has to fight back and defeat the impossible. Beautiful movie. Please watch.